Thank you for stopping by the channel. I really appreciate you going on this journey with me. We're gonna have some good time today with a photo shoot I did back in Malibu, California. An amazing photo shoot, and I wanted to show a little bit of the content that I was able to capture here. The model was absolutely amazing. She brought one of her friends to help out. For the most part, we had the beach to ourselves, even though there were a few people out there. For the most part, we stayed out of the water because the water was freezing. But I was able to capture some of the video with a GoPro that I have, and then the photos were actually captured with a Fujifilm X100F. It's by far my favorite camera. I do have some other cameras for my commission and commercial work, but for my personal portfolio that I'm building, the Fujifilm X100F does everything that I needed to do. The only thing I might do soon is upgrade to the X100V because of that 4K video on the camera, but at this time, this X100F does everything I need to do. I'm not gonna sit here and talk over the entire video. Go ahead and enjoy. If you ever wanna shoot with me, hit me up. In the meantime, have a wonderful day. Come back for more content soon. Peace.